chimichurri daw.
Sticky stickies. Breakfast. Very nice.
Guys, we are preparing to go paddleboarding. Paddleboard ni Sam. Ni-inflate niya na. There you go. We're all set. Sam's just trying to figure out how to put that sail in place. Yan, kanya yan eh. Then, ayan na yung sa akin. So, ayan. Ngayon, dadalhin ko na siya sa baba. Teka lang, tutulungan ko lang to guys. Ah! It comes with that one.
No. I'm not sure if this.
And you just broke it.
I don't know if we just broke that or not now.
Okay, I'll be back. So, we're getting ready.
Yeah. You should really.
I'm not really gonna swim, you know. It's just that
Well, if you go in the water and you don't get wet, they might drag you under.
it's just that when I, you know, tip over.
Yeah.
But I'm not really planning to like swim.
My shitty sunglasses there. My shitty one.
Orange juice. Sam is just wearing his usual dry suit. Of course, pag nagpa-paddleboard, I'm just gonna use my Crocs and the radio. Meron kaming dalang radio. Okay. May anchor din kaming dala. So, para kapag nawala kami. So, see you guys later. Hoy, don't go too far yet kasi gonna tie my paddle for your...
You can't do it straight away. You mess around or what? Hey, I haven't got time to sit here.
Guys, kakabalik ko lang ulit sa land. Kita nyo yon? Let me zoom it in. There. Nire-rescue nila si Sam. Okay lang naman si Sam. Kaso nakita niya yung sail. What do you call this? Yung sail niya sa paddleboard niya. First time niya rin kasing gamitin yun. At nalalaglag siya, natutumba siya. Siguro pagod na siya. Buti na lang may boat dito. Sabi ko, mauna na ako muna. Pero yun, hindi siya makaalis. Tapos buti may nag-rescue sa kanya. Funny. Pero okay lang naman siya. I think. Let's hope for the best. Where are you? He just got rescued. Rescuing. Oh! Get rid of that stuff. So guys, I think I'm done for today. Ay! Nawala yung isang part ng, yung end part ng ang paddle ko. Binalikan ko siya, kaso hindi ko naabot. Tapos inikot na naman ako ng hangin. Tapos sinay kong balikan, hindi ko na makita. Pero kasi, kung titignan nyo yung alon, papunta dito. Papunta mismo dito sa side na to. So, ayun si Sam. Ayan na siya, pabalik na siya. So, maglalakad ako dun. Tara, lakad tayo. Hanapin natin. Kasi baka tinangay din papunta dito. I'm trying to look for the part that I'm missing. The black one. Ay. The one that you're missing as well. May nakita ko, guys. Berries. Ewan ko kung edible yun. Ang dami. Ito ba? Sa taas. So far, wala. Baka mapagalitan tayo dito. That's Then, balik na tayo sa boat. Balik na tayo sa boat. Kasi lumalamig na, nilalamig na ako ng konti. Yeah. Yung paddleboard ko, iwan ko na lang muna dyan. But we need to grab some lunch. Let's grab some lunch!
Huh?
Lunch!
We're gonna have a go at that again.
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
We're gonna have to go windsurfing again.
No!
Yeah, because I've got an idea.
Guys,
We just need you to go, can you go to the truck and get me one of the balloon rackets, the thin one?
oh my God. Gusto niya daw ulit itry yung sail. Tapos may pinapakuha siya sa akin sa truck. But Sam, it's almost 3 p.m.
Huh?
It's almost 3!
That's just one look at that.
Where's the key for the truck? Ayaw pa magpaawat. Tatry niya daw ulit yung sail niya. Kunin natin yung ratchet ni Sam. Di talaga sa susuko no? Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan nakalagay yung mga yun. Meron dong isa. Ay, ito. Meron pala. Actually, sabi niya manipis. Meron dong gamit na ito hindi pa nabubuksan. Ito na lang, ayoko nang kumuha pa ng iba. Actually, meron na rin siyang ratchet dun sa loob. Dalhin ko na lang din to para sure. Ang daming blackberries. Kuha tayo. Medyo pabulok na kasi Hanap tayo ng maayos-ayos pa. Ang tataas naman kasi. Ang tataas. Ito. Try. Ay, matinik. Try natin. Siya. Oh, shit. Ang tamis. Ang tamis naman nun. Pa. Tamis. Tamis. Ba tayo? Siguro, ito sigurong mga to, matatamis. Kasi pabulok na siya Ayoko naman kunin yung pabulok na. Try natin pa isa pa. Tamis nun. Tamis. Anyways, that's it. Kaya hindi sa kabila. Ito hindi ko alam, tong mga berries na to. Ito, hindi ko alam kung nakakain. Pero parang hindi. Tapos, meron ding mga ganito. Mga ganyan. Ayan. Ibang klase naman. Hindi, ay! Matinik! Ay, 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 ay! Aray, aray! Nasabit ako. Matinik. Tapos ito yung mga parang blueberries na nakita natin kanina. Doon sa baba. Hindi yata nakakain tong mga to. I'm not sure. But, hindi yata ito try. Tara na. Nakita ako. Ayan. Pababa. Kuha tayo. Kunin natin. Ay, ano na siya? Parang pabulok na. Ito, kunin natin. 1, 2, 3. Ay, nahulog. Ayan, kuha, 3. Dami pa. Balikan natin mamaya. Ayan, dami dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Ay, oo. Mamaya, kuha tayo. Balik muna tayo dun. Guys, andyan pa din siya. Sabi niya, 1 oras na lang daw, itatry niya daw ulit yung sale niya. Lampas na 1 oras, andyan pa din siya. Ilang beses na yan nahulog sa tubig. Ayaw gumibap. Tignan niyo to. Oh. Oh, ano? Oh, patutumba na naman yan. Ayan, oh, oh, oh. Gumagana naman eh. Gumagana naman eh. Ayaw talaga tumigil. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Yan, o sige. O, antayin nyo guys. Antayin nyo. Ano na, matutumba na naman yan. O, ayan na, sinasabi.
Well, here we are again. Another video by Michelle and Cedar. Sarah's only just had a shower and
We just had a shower and got changed. So, ow!
where'd they go?
The back. We're gonna find food now. We don't know where.
Which obviously isn't impossible for Michelle.
But, and for some.
You're eating my fucking... Did you open it?
Yeah.
You can't wait, can you? Fucking wait, Faye.
Here. The cock. That's very nice. Let's go inside. Because this is a hotel as well. Kitchen.
That's interesting.
Nasa labas pa si Sama kung matutulog na. Night, guys!